Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my kitchen, where we turn everyday ingredients into something extraordinary. If you're ready for a flavor-packed adventure, you're in the right place. Ever crave something fresh, zesty, and just bursting with color? You know, the kind of dish that makes you smile before you even take a bite? That's exactly what we're making today. Today, I'm diving spoon first into the irresistible universe of chickpea salad magic. A dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious, and honestly, it's about to become your new obsession. Trust me, this isn't your grandma's potato salad. No offense, Grandma. This is a modern twist, packed with bold flavors and vibrant textures that'll make you rethink what a salad can be. All right, let's talk ingredients, because the secret to a great salad is all in what you put in it. Grab a can of chickpeas. Give them a good rinse. Nobody likes that can water flavor, am I right? Chickpeas are the heart of this salad, bringing protein, fiber, and a nutty bite that's super satisfying. Next up, dice up half a red onion for a little bite. Red onion adds a sharp, tangy kick that wakes up all the other flavors. If you're not a fan of raw onion, you can soak it in cold water for a few minutes to mellow it out. Slice a crisp cucumber, and if you can find them, get your hands on rainbow carrots. They're not just for show. They add this sweet, earthy crunch that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. The more color, the more nutrients, and the more fun. Avocado time. Cut one open, gently scoop out that buttery goodness, and cube it up. It's like edible velvet, folks. Avocado brings a creamy richness that balances out all the crunch. Sprinkle in a handful of chopped parsley because green stuff makes us all feel healthier. Parsley adds a fresh, herby note that brightens up every bite. And hey, if you want to get wild, toss in some diced bell peppers. Any color you like. The more colors, the more fun, right? Bell peppers add a juicy crunch and a pop of sweetness that takes this salad to the next level. Now for the dressing, keep it simple. The best salads let the ingredients shine, and this one is no exception. Good olive oil, the kind that smells grassy and rich, is your base. Don't skimp here, quality makes a difference. A generous squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt, and you're halfway to Flavor Town. Lemon brings brightness and a little tang that lifts everything up, and a shake of red pepper flakes for a little kick. If you like it spicy, add a bit more. This is your salad after all. Pour it all over your bowl of greatness and get ready for the best part, the mix. This is where the magic happens and all those flavors start to mingle. Use a big spoon, get in there and stir it all together. You want every chickpea hugging that dressing, every veggie coated and glistening. Don't be shy, give it a good toss. Let's talk flavor. This salad is a symphony of textures and tastes, each bite a little different from the last. You've got the creamy avocado, which melts in your mouth and makes every forkful feel a little bit luxurious. The sharpness of red onion, crisp cucumber, sweet carrots, each one bringing its own personality to the party. And those chickpeas holding it all together with their nutty little charm. They're the glue that binds this salad, making it hearty enough for lunch or dinner. One bite and it's crunchy, creamy, tangy, and just the right amount of spicy. It's a flavor explosion that keeps you coming back for more. You can eat it on its own, pile it on toast for a quick open-faced sandwich, or even stuff it into a pita for a portable lunch, or scoop it up with chips for a party-ready snack. It's perfect for sharing, but honestly, you might not want to. Heck, I've been known to eat it straight out of the bowl standing at my kitchen counter. No shame. Sometimes the best meals are the ones you eat right away. No plate required. So the next time you're hungry and want something quick, healthy, and flat-out delicious, remember this chickpea salad. It's a lifesaver on busy days, and it keeps well in the fridge for a couple of days, so you can meal prep like a pro. It's proof that simple ingredients can taste like $1,000,000. You don't need fancy gadgets or hours in the kitchen, just a few fresh veggies, a can of chickpeas, and a little love. And hey, if you try it, let me know down in the comments how you put your own spin on it. Maybe you add feta, or swap in cilantro, or toss in some cherry tomatoes. Make it yours. Until next time, keep those salads sassy and those chickpeas dancing. Stay creative in the kitchen, and remember, good food is meant to be shared and enjoyed.